So hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and I know I am in total darkness today, but whatever. So total darkness, what and humor, whatever. So today I gonna show you a platform that is mostly useful for SaaS, e-commerces, or anything online entity. So this is basically a status page. Okay, and the work of this web application is just to provide a status page to your customer and to teams. Okay, now in this status page what will actually happen is if your system goes down in like any time, it will notify your customer as well as you. Okay, and you will like what they claim that you will get fewer like customer complaint requests as you are broadcasting obviously all of your like downtime details over air. Okay, so let's have a look and understand it properly. So here is our today's app, that is in status. Okay, now here are some of the sample uptimes that you can see over here. Okay, just suppose if I click on it, it will show me the uptime of railway.app. Now you know railway.app, right? Because I have featured it before in my channel. So it will show you the uptime details and the downtimes that have happened in past, and to a certain like day only, certain date only. Like here we can see that is up to 16 January maintenance details are available. Okay, because I don't need beyond that, right? So those are available, and what I can do is I can report an issue over here as well, and I can like it will just copy the email of the railway, and I can get updated from if in any of my channel in email, Slack, Microsoft Teams, with webhooks or feed as well. Okay, RSS feed. And so why would you need a uptimer, right? So they have explained that also in here. So why to get a status page? Okay, so first of all, uh, get less tickets. Tickets mean let's like complaint tickets. Okay, complaint tickets, because you know what is happening right now. Communicate early, so that can be like you can get things done like early in the state, and everything will work like start running again. Build trust. So what happens is, if you are like if you are in down phase, like some maybe some servers are down, maybe something else is down, if you let your customer know about it uptime, okay, like upfront, not uptime, upfront, they will much more trust you, because you are awareing them about this. Like delivery does this. Whoever is the business like business have a business account of delivery, they always send you a mail about when like they are facing a server downtime. Okay, so similarly when you do that, you actually build more trust with your customers, and obviously positive experience. That's another thing. Now you may ask, is it free? So obviously it is not totally free, but you can get started with free. So you get unlimited teams and unlimited subs in the free plan. That actually covers many of the things. Then you have unlimited in $20 plan. You can as you add your custom domain to it. In unlimited in $300 plan, you actually get unlimited team, unlimited sub, your own domain, SSO logins, yearly invoice, includes 3 pages and 30-day trials. So a lots of things, a lots of things. And you can not just public pages, you can create private pages as well. And the private pages always starts with uh, a certain amount of fees. Okay, so I think if you are building a SaaS, and if you want to show uptime for your SaaS to your customer, you can clearly show it. Like, obviously you can go for the free, actually start with the free plan at least, and then if you find it really really useful, that I think like many of the bigger SaaS gonna find it out, you can shift it to your own domain. That is totally like totally fine, right? So what I will do is I will obviously like for my upcoming SaaSes, I will obviously opt for it, at least for the free plan. And then eventually when I will get like to a certain point when this thing will matter to me more, I will obviously switch to the pro plan as well. So that's the thing. So that's the thing about this whole site, like this in status website, and how to use it. You can find everything in their API documentation, so we will have no issue. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great tools like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.